In 1960, Israeli agents pulled off one of the most daring kidnappings in history. Their target, Adolf Eichmann, the architect of the Holocaust, hiding in plain sight in Argentina. For 15 years, Eichmann lived under a false name in Buenos Aires, working at a Mercedes factory, raising a family, completely invisible. But Mossad never stopped hunting. A tip led them to a modest house on Garibaldi Street. They watched for months, studied his routine. Every day at 7:19, he got off the same bus. On May 11th, two agents waited by his stop. As Eichmann walked toward his house, they grabbed him, shoved him into a car. He was gone in seconds. For 9 days, they held him in a safe house, waiting for the perfect moment to escape. Then they did something incredible. They drugged Eichmann, dressed him as an El Al flight crew member, walked him right through airport security. The man who sent millions to their deaths was smuggled out of Argentina on a commercial flight. No one suspected a thing.